Teşekkürler Mr. Cornut. Mr. Cornut da konuşmasını birkaç cümleyle özetlemek gerekirse kendisi de Sayın El-Sabah gibi demografik değişikliklerin ekonomi, global ekonomi üzerine etkilerini değerlendirdi. Buradan hareketle değişimi umursamanın öneminden bahsetti. Ekonomik gerçeklerin farkına varılmasından bahsetti. Sosyal devlet kavramının demokratik süreçler içerisine yerleştirilmesinin öneminden bahsetti. Çok çarpıcı bir tespit daha yaptı. Avrupa ekonomisinin özellikle yaratıcı kapasiteye yatırım yapması gerekliliğinden bahsetti. Şimdi ikinci tur ve son tur olarak konuşmacılarımıza ben bir kez daha söz vermek istiyorum ve yine aynı sırayla Sayın El-Sabah'tan başlamak istiyorum. Sayın El-Sabah'a sorum gene Kuzey Afrika ve Orta Doğu'daki gelişmelerin neticesinde ortaya çıkan bir şey.
In the political scene in Tunis and Egypt has been relatively unviolent, while we do see an ongoing violence in Libya. Now the impact of these changes in Egypt and Tunis, of course, we have to wait for the internal dynamics in terms of setting up a new constitutional reform to allow the new regime to emerge, a regime that would be more representative, and I expect that once these reforms are enacted, that Egypt will regain its position as a robust emerging economy as well as Tunisia. The question with regard to Libya is one of a more difficult to answer, because there are ongoing now war between two opposing factions. The impact of that on the international economic scene can only be detected through the oil prices. We have seen that there has been a big jump in the oil prices reflecting these concerns, but I can tell you that the GCC producers, the Gulf Cooperation Council producers, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait has already announced that they are going to do whatever they can to produce this deficiency in the oil supply side of the equation, to prevent a spike in the oil prices. We, as large producers with extensive reserves, we don't like spikes in oil prices. We prefer a stable oil market. We have invested heavily in the international economy. We stand to be the most to lose if there is an international and a global recession. So it is in our best interest to see through that the international recovery, as some of my colleagues have indicated that there are certain encouraging signs coming from the United States. This is something that we are going to support through a moderation in the oil prices.